Raining super hard right now. I don't know if you can see. The tarp is falling. And there's drops falling from the top. This will give you an idea of the video quality from the Samsung Galaxy Note. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I have it on the cover so I don't get it wet, preventing me from holding it really straight. That's really pouring right now. Get a little bit close here. Get some close-up shots without getting too wet. It autofocuses pretty good. It's got good detail, at least from what I can tell on the little screen. Well, it's not little, it's pretty big. Goes between shadows and highlights kind of slowly, but it's not bad for a camera phone. So this was the Galaxy Note.